So welcome CMS students. In this video, I will explain Form T1. Form T1 is applicable for practical training. Those who have complete intermediate Group 1 or Group 2 or both groups, they have been eligible for practical training entry level. So I will explain completely. So watch this video till the end. So Institute of Cost Accountants of India, statutory body of under an Act of Parliament, statutory body under an Act of Parliament. This is in our institute address, headquarters, CMA Bhavan, Sadar Street, 12 Sadar Street, Kolkata. Pin code is given, phone numbers is given. So email. So any related training issues, training at the rate of ICMA. That is the mail ID. So this is the mail ID. So training at the rate of ICMA.in. So this is the website for the institute. So now come to the main point. He is here. Form T1, we see here Form T1. First one is first fill in the column name of the practicing cost accounting firm or cost accountants. So cost accountants, you are practicing firm and mention the name here. He is a fellow member or associate members and mention here number of partners. So this is the given. So this given is the engagement to join, and after completing the training, we have see here name of the cost accountants, intimation for engagement for CMS students as a trainees. So this is the application form for whenever you go into the practicing cost accounting and firms in cost accounting. So number of partners, they have associate members or fellow members of the institute. So mention this address where you are located, your firm address, details and mobile number. So next part is maximum number of trainees authorized as per the number of partners. So this field column solutions is given by the number of vacancies of trainees and mention here, and maximum trainers of authorized as per the number of partners for the recognized practicing cost accounting or firm of cost accountants. So come to the here we see here this is your final student's registered address, capital, and for your name, your father name. So all in full address, capital name in full, in capital letters only. So capital letters only. So here we see the only capital letters mentioned here. So these forms will be available in the institute website also. So enter student's registered number and residential, your residential address, telephone number, mobile number and email ID. So this is the form date, the period of which the cost accounting as cost. Whenever you join the either absent or present, that does not matter. Whenever the cost accounting management training is engaged means to join this firm and complete the training from the date, from date to day. So this date will be given by the recognized firm or cost accountants, practicing cost accountants, our fellow members, associate members of the institute. So mention your names and membership numbers given here and name, either associate number, and click here. Enter the register number for the members register number, firm's number of partners, address. So these details will be given in the form. So no need to worry about that. Just download this form from the institute website and join and apply as a trainee. From date which you are joined this, mention here, that's enough. Authorized seal signature will designed by this signature will be given by the recognized partners firm, that is firms of cost accountants or practicing cost accountants. So the trainee is engaged as per the student guidelines issued by the Institute on practical training. So signature and register number is given and mention this. That's it. You upload and signed copy and fill it with the online of the institute website. So upload the signed copy and the scanned and fill the institute website as the practical trainer. If any doubts, mention email trainer at the rate of email ICMA training at the rate of ICMA.in. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. I hope you will understand. T-form is engagement. Engagement is a arrangement that you have made to do something, do a particular date. I hopefully understand. This is the form 1 T1. So mention clearly here. All the best. Thanks for watching and please like, share, subscribe for more updates.